If you, a family member, or a friend has hyperglycemia, type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance, or prediabetes, they have high blood sugar, I'm going to share a simple tea with you that you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet that will greatly benefit your health and help you control your blood sugar. Hello and welcome to Bliss Health TV. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel before starting the video. Now let's talk about chamomile and green tea. Green tea and chamomile provide a lot of health advantages, including helping to maintain appropriate blood sugar management. Your body will experience reduced chronic inflammation because of its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Your body becomes more insulin sensitive and less insulin resistant when you drink chamomile tea. It will actually aid in lowering your HbA1c and aid in preventing oxidative stress, an imbalance that can lead to diabetes-related complications. Research. A study in 64 people with diabetes found that participants who drank 5 ounces of chamomile tea, made with 3 grams of chamomile, 3 times per day after meals for 8 weeks, experienced significant reductions in HbA1c and insulin levels compared with a control group. How does tea help manage diabetes? 1. Anti-inflammatory. Keep in mind that when blood sugar levels rise as a result of insulin resistance, they can only be quickly stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles before being converted to fat, which contains inflammatory chemicals. It will have an impact on your body and result in a variety of various issues with all of your organs, and chamomile tea is a fantastic anti-inflammatory. It helps to ease cold symptoms, is healthy for the heart, aids with digestion, and promotes restful sleep. Moreover, green tea has potent antioxidant qualities. 2. Organic booster. It boosts your immune system, relieves tension, and treats sore throats. Studies have shown that green tea reduces gut inflammation, blood sugar, and glucose levels. It can also do fantastic things for your body. Green tea will not only help lower blood sugar levels, it will also help lower your HbA1c. And when it comes to losing those pounds, green tea is one of your body's top hormone boosters. 3. Balance cholesterol. The antioxidants, especially catechins, are known to help lower your bad cholesterol or low-density lipoprotein, which is the bad cholesterol. It can do fantastic things for you. This results in cholesterol building up in the arteries, which can restrict blood flow to the heart and result in a heart attack or stroke by going into the brain. 4. Regulate blood sugar. Understanding that diabetes and high blood sugar damage our nerves, which we refer to as neuropathy, as well as other organs such as the kidneys, eyes, heart, and brain, which are all linked to other neurogenic disorders, is crucial. It's important to correctly control your blood sugar levels for the wellness of your body. Green tea and chamomile helping to maintain appropriate blood sugar management. How do you make tea? The first thing you must do is take 1 cup of hot water. Add 1 tea bag of green tea, as well as 1 tea bag of chamomile. Let the mixture simmer for approximately 7 to 10 minutes. You are welcome to add some natural sweeteners, such as stevia. How do you drink tea? Thus, many studies have shown the enormous benefits of drinking it, with or soon after a meal. So if you have diabetes or are taking medication, I strongly suggest that you check your blood sugar levels. You will determine how this tea works best for you and learn how it does so. Please share this with your friends and family, and leave your comments below, because I would love to see how this helps you. Make sure to subscribe to Bliss Health TV for more informative videos. Until next time, stay healthy and goodbye.